Did you know that this Great Dane is often called the gentle giant? These majestic dogs can stand up to 34 inches tall and weigh between 110 to 175 pounds. Despite their size, they are known for their friendly and affectionate nature. Great Danes are incredibly loyal and make excellent family pets, often forming strong bonds with children. Their short coat comes in a variety of colors, including fawn, brindle, and blue. With a lifespan of around 7 to 10 years, they may not be with us long, but their impact is unforgettable. Please like, share, follow, and subscribe.